Okay, you've seen my new mirrors. I mean, fabulous. Almost a distraction. It gives such a good view to the rear. And this is a new carrier. My little milk carton carrier. Now, if you can see this, wish I had smart enough to put this on a holder. But anyway, I have a couple of hookers hooking underneath there on the bike. I'm just using all 4 of those hooks. There's no tension on that. It's just to keep it from bouncing off. I'll show you what it's holding it on. Take my hat out of there. And look at that. Look at that, look at that. Now what it amounts to is those are magnets in this configuration to go on my luggage rack. You can see that the milk carton is longer by 3-4 inches. But those things, there's 10 of them there, and you get that on Amazon for $11. 20 pounds pull on each magnet is what you get. But they have them with 30 pounds of pull, 60 pounds of pull, and 90 pounds of pull if you want to spend just a little more money. But I'll tell you what, 10 of them at 20, that thing I just get it close and it snaps down on there. Very, very, very handy. Because I want to take the thing off sometimes, you know. Sometimes I just want to look like the bike that it is, you know. And but it just, I don't know, I had a genius attack one day. And I'll tell you about these mirrors. See this bolt on here? This is what they furnish with the mirrors. And they give you 3 or 4 different kinds of bolts. This is a 3. Got 3 notches in it. And they only give you 1 of these. But when you're dealing with a Honda Super Cub, then and with the extenders that you can buy, this thing that it's going to screw into is left-hand thread, which evidently on Kawasaki's and several other bikes, only one of the mirrors is left-hand thread. But on this one, both of them are. Now that meant that I had to call up the place and say, hey, you gave me 2 of every other one, but you only gave me 1 of these. And they said, yeah, nobody ever needs 2 of them. And I said, well, if you want to get your mirrors to fit the world's most purchased bike ever, 100 million of them, I said, you might want to give them the option to get 2 of those instead of 1. Because that was all it took. Now, that took me an extra week to get that one. And it cost me, let's see, ended up costing about 15 bucks, I think. Because it was all shipping. The bolt was a couple of bucks. But the shipping was a bunch. for some reason. Came in an envelope, you know. Somebody mailed it to me. Big goddamn deal, you know. But anyway, this is what I wanted. Itchy Boots has these mirrors, and her mirror problems have just kind of faded away. And she's going across the Sahara and has dumped that bike in the sand several times. So anyway, yeah, that's enough of that. I'll splice that together with the next ride. We would really appreciate a like and subscribe, or support the channel in any way you want to. Maybe even a $2 tank of gas for the Honda. Thank you. We'll see you next time.